Hi. So here we have a question. A school has less than 5,000 students, and if the students are divided equally in teams of either 9 or 12 or 10 or 12 or 25 each, exactly 4 are always left out. Okay. So if you divide by 9, 4 are left out. That means the number of students, which is let's say n, is of the form 9 into a plus 4. It is 4 more than a multiple of 9. Similarly, when divided by 10, again it leaves out a remainder of 4. Hence, the number is also of the form 4 more than a multiple of 10. So, 10b plus 4. If you remember, this is LCM model 1. Different divisors are leaving the same remainder, right? Similarly, when n divided by 12, it leaves out again a remainder of 4. So, n will be of the form 12c plus 4. And also when divided by 25, it leaves out a remainder of 4. So, n will be of the form 25 into d plus 4. Now, since by dividing with all these 4 divisors, the remainder is same. Hence, we know n would be basically of the form LCM of the 4 divisors 9, 10, 12, 25 into some factor k plus 4. N will be of this form. We know this from LCM model or method 1. Please go ahead and look at the theory part for this. Okay. Now, the same number when divided by 11, the same number of students when they are grouped in 11, that means they are divided in groups of 11, no one is left out. That means the number of students is an exact multiple of 11. Also, the total number of students is less than 5,000. So now LCM of 9, 10, 12 and 25, this is how much? 25 is 5 square, 12 has a 3 and a 4, this 10 has a 5 and a 2, so 5 and 2 we already have, 9 has a 3 square, so 1 3 is there, we want one more 3. So 25 into 4 is 100, 3 into 3 9, so 900, the LCM is 900, so n is of the form 900 into k plus 4. This is the form of n. Now n has to be a multiple of 11 but less than 5,000 as well. So let's take k equals to 1. If k is equal to 1, n comes out to be 9,000 plus 4, which is 900 plus 4, which is 904. Okay, let's take k 0 also. K 0 is also possible. In that case, n will be equal to 4. But neither this number nor this number are divisible by 11. N has to be a multiple of 11 as well, right? Let's take k equals to 2 now. So n comes out to be 900 into 2 is 1800 plus 4, 1804. Now if you divide 1804 by 11, this comes out to be divisible by 11. 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 plus 0 is 1, so 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Okay. So is this the only possible value of n? Let's say. If k is equal to 3, n comes out to be 27 plus 4, 2704. The next, so n will keep increasing by 900. So next will be 3604, next will be 4504. And then next value will be greater than 5,000. So we don't consider those values. And even for these three values, they are not divisible by 11. None of these is divisible by 11. The only value divisible by 11 is n equals to 1804. Now the question is, what is the maximum number of teams of 12 that can be formed out of the students in the school? So if there are 1804 students, so the maximum number of groups of 12 that can be formed will be divide 1804 by 12. The quotient of this is going to be the answer, right? You'll have some remainder, but those students will not form a complete group. The complete groups will be formed by the quotient of 1804 by 12. So 18 by 12 goes 1 times, you get 60. Then you have 560, 0, 150. So there will be a total of 150 groups of 12 that can be formed when these students are divided in groups of 12. Thank you.